wheelie action. Alright. Yeah, I couldn't find my shifter, bro. I gotta bring it up a little bit. And then we'll be chilling. I'm gonna go. Okay. Here we go. We got a good line up here now. I'm gonna go here. Make sure he's good, and then we can get it good. Boy, I gotta make sure no one's coming. Damn, it's fucking hot, yo. I'm cooking. Oh, I think he's ready. No cars are coming. We're straight. Here we go. Alrighty. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that felt good. Alright, let's call him and see what he says. Woo! My adrenaline's going. What's he honking at? Okay, bye. Alright. Yeah, I'm going. At this sign, we're gonna go. Ready? Oh my god, yo, I'm sweating, dude. It's so hot out. What? Oh, he just got passed. Really? Damn, that sounds good. Okay, I'll get one of you. Call me when you get up there. Bro, I'm gonna take my shit off real quick. I'm steaming. I'm about to just take my jacket off. Okay, you're gonna start from up there again? Alright. Here we go, guys. I've never done a video like this before. It's kind of dope, though. That was sick, yo. Chill. That's so sick. And then you guys will see him get a flyby. So got a couple short clips, probably got a couple more short clips. Okay, just come. I'll see you from on top the hill. Okay?
I'm coming like now. Adios.
Okay, adios. Gotta do 4K and 60. Oh my god, that biker just passed him. He should be coming now. Imagine these people just looking at a jacked mofo on the side of the road. There he is. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. You know, I gotta get some push-ups in. Had to get a quick 5 in, bro. I'm just pumped, bro. I love riding, getting videos. Oh shit, he's coming. Check the chain. What'd you hit? Oh, you don't have a speedometer.
I think I had another gear.
That was sick. All right. Park your bike this way, and then I'm gonna get a short clip of our bikes. Here, just watch what I do. Yeah, like that. Nothing but a peanut.
Nothing but a peanut.
And then put yours like a little behind mine. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work right there. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, that's good. That's good actually. No, we'll do one like this. Hang on, let me get one like this. Okay, watch out. But you guys are getting some behind the scenes action right here, baby. Do you want me to change mine? Oh yeah, that's dope. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's sick.
Send that to me.
Let me get some pictures too. Let's go. I'm hyped, guys. Yeah, I just need to change the shift lever. It needs to be like, needs to be up here more. That should be easy. All right, good. Right now.
I mean, yeah, but.
I'll get a video from the back. Let's go. Alright, if you guys like that video, I'm gonna end it here. I don't want to be in too long. But yeah, the quick shifter is freaking sick, yo. Like I said, I just need to adjust it. It's a little low here, but other than that, you know, it's just really good. It's clean, it's not clunky and shit, like I said. There's not much more I could really ask for it. I'm just hyped. Thanks for all the support so far. We hit 5K today. And yeah, I think that's it. A little bit of a different video. Not hella crazy, but yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Ride safe. Over and out.